Look, you gotta stop making excuses and start making money. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, it's time for some tough love. But by the end of this video, you should be ready to start making some money online. And actually, you can start doing it today. So one thing that I see a lot of when I read comments or even when I watch other YouTubers videos and see what people are saying, a lot of people just have excuses, right? I see a lot of excuses with all of these different opportunities out here, affiliate programs, network marketing companies, all of that. And I see so many people, instead of talking about, or even asking questions or whatever, they're just downing it like, oh, this is too hard, or I tried, or this ain't real, or this doesn't work, or I really don't got time to be doing all that, so on and so on. It's just tons of excuses. But guess what? If you want to make money online, you're gonna have to stop with the excuses, because there's too many people out here making money online, making passive income, making money while they're asleep, and there is no reason at all why you can't be one of those people. I'm about to share with you my top 4 online money making opportunities that I make money with. So before I get into these opportunities, I want to make something perfectly clear. Each one of these things are absolutely newbie friendly. All right. So whatever program interests you or opportunity interests you, just know you don't have to be this experienced marketer or been doing this for years. Everything that I'm talking about, you can literally jump into it and be very, very successful. The only thing that is really required is dedication, a commitment, a seriousness to actually want to make money online and willing to take action to make it happen. That's all you need. Oh, and one more thing, a link to each of these opportunities will be found in the description of this video as well as the pinned comment. So my first opportunity that's extremely newbie friendly and has great earning potential is Nexus Rewards. Nexus Rewards is a company I'm super excited about because it's a win-win opportunity, right? So Nexus Rewards is actually a cash back and savings opportunity. So make a long story short, you actually get paid for showing people how to save money and actually make money. I really like Nexus Rewards because, in my opinion, they did a great job of mixing affiliate marketing with network marketing, bringing them together to make a really cool online business opportunity. With Nexus Rewards, you actually can start making money from Nexus Rewards without even promoting the company, without even getting any sort of leads or upgrades or anything like that. You can jump into Nexus Rewards today and start generating some income. Yes, you can start earning some extra income without actually referring Nexus Rewards or anything like that. But if you really want to start earning some nice monthly residual income, you're going to want to promote Nexus Rewards. And here's the beauty. Nexus Rewards is only $22 a month to be a premium member. Now, as a premium member, you're going to get access to all of these discounts and saving opportunities that free members don't get. But what your $22 a month membership allows you to do, it allows you to be able to build your own Nexus Rewards business. And this has unlimited earning potential. So pretty much you're going to get $10 for every person that you bring into Nexus Rewards who decide to upgrade and be a premium member just like you. You're also going to be able to earn from the members that they bring in and they bring in, so on and so on, 10 levels deep. That's where that whole network marketing aspect comes into play. But honestly, you could just focus on getting members in yourself and build a solid monthly income. So a second online money making opportunity that is super newbie friendly and that you can get started with today is Infinity Processing System. So when it comes to Infinity Processing System, you have the option to come in at 3 different levels, okay? There's the $50 starter level, there's the $150 elite level, and then there's the $300 pro level. Now, whatever level you decide to come in at is the level of commission that you are able to earn. Now, this is not network marketing. There is not like multiple levels to this. So if you come in at the $50 level, you're going to get 100% commission whenever you promote IPS to somebody else and they decide to get the training. You're going to earn $50, 100% commissions for every sale you generate. So if you come in at the $150 level, right, you'll be able to get, $50 commissions and $150 commissions. And obviously, if you come in at the $300 level, you're going to be able to earn $50 commissions, $150 commissions, and even $300 commissions. Now, a lot of people, when they hear this, they get excited, but then they're like, oh, wait, but what do you get? What do you get with this training? What is this system that we're promoting? I'm going to tell you right now, all right? You get real affiliate marketing training. All right. So not only can you use the training to actually promote the IPS system, right, which is highly recommended, but you can use the things that you learn in this training with whatever it is that you're promoting. If it's an affiliate marketing product or program or network marketing opportunity, you can actually use the things that you learn in the training. Keep in mind, IPS is a training platform. It teaches you how to make money with affiliate marketing using your social media. So that is what you're getting as an IPS member, and that is what you'll be selling to other people. It's really that simple. Now, a third online money making opportunity that is extremely newbie friendly and that you can start today is instant recall. All right, I am loving instant recall. When I tell you this is one of them like sleeper make money online opportunities that a lot of people are not talking about, a lot of people don't even know about, you can make a lot of money just by promoting a simple app. So I'm gonna make it very, very clear. Instant recall works by you promoting the app. Every time somebody joins Instant Recall and becomes a data seller, all right, you're going to make money. So even make it even simpler. You're just referring the app. You're just sharing this app and this opportunity with people, and you can earn a monthly recurring income. Now, to become a data seller for Instant Recall and to be able to build your own team where you can earn money, it does have a cost. All right, it do. I tell you, I keep it real. And this cost, I don't know, right? I hopefully this don't turn you off. But to become a data seller and to be able to start generating a monthly income, it's gonna cost you $3.99 a month, right? $3.99. You actually can have your own online business. And keep in mind, you have the ability to earn unlimited income. And last but not least, an online money making opportunity that you could just jump into right now and get started is Live Good. Now, Live Good is something that I went back and forth with actually getting involved with. I've been a member about 5-6 weeks now, and this is one of them companies that is on fire right now in the network marketing space. Now, Live Good is a supplement company that offers a membership site. All right. Now, why so many people love and Live Good is because this opportunity only costs $50 to start. All right. It's $40 to become an actual affiliate, right? Or business builder, a one-time $40 fee. And then it's only $9.95 a month to maintain your membership. Now you're probably saying, well, what the hell you get for $9.95? I'm gonna tell you, all right? For $9.95 with Live Good, that allows you to do two things. One, it allows you to get crazy discounts on their supplements, right? Everybody know the supplement game is big. The supplement game is a multi-billion-dollar industry, all right? So what Live Good did was take the most popular supplements out right now. So Live Good gives you the opportunity to get their products, which is very comparable to the super expensive products. You'll be able to get them at extremely discounted prices as a Live Good member. Now, the other thing that $9.95 allows you to do is to be able to earn money from other people that you get to join Live Good. Now, yes, this is that network marketing opportunity thing where it's like, okay, I bring people in, then I can make money from the people that they bring in and the people they bring in, blah, 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 blah. But what's making it so appealing to people and easy is because of that whole $9.95 membership. A lot of people are joining Live Good because they see the earning potential with it. Now, one of the things that a lot of people are talking about when it comes to Live Good is this is one of the only network marketing companies where you can earn over $2,000 a month without recruiting anybody, right? Without recruiting anybody, and that's due to spillover. And that means that whoever you join, if they actually start, filling up their whole matrix and all that, jibber jabber, if they get enough people, eventually people are going to start dropping down to you, and you're going to start making money just because you're there, right? So yes, it is possible to actually make money just off of you just paying your $9.95 membership. I personally don't recommend that you do that. If you get involved with Live Good, you should be promoting it on some level. And I suggest that, you're interested in, health and wellness, because if you are, it will make this super easier to promote and generate more income. I ain't gonna lie, if you are involved with like the health and wellness industry and you are looking for some extra income, I definitely recommend you jumping on Live Good. So there you have it. Those are 4 online money making opportunities that you can get involved with today. 4 different options. They're all different. So I am very confident that one of these opportunities is for you. So I do want to stress one last time that these opportunities are all newbie friendly, but damn it, you have to be willing to take action if you want to make these opportunities work. If you actually want to start generating real money, you have to be willing to invest, to commit, and actually make it happen. Because if I'm making money with these opportunities, I know you can make money with these opportunities. You just got to decide. So remember, you can check out each of these opportunities right now by checking out the description of this video as well as the pinned comment. So now you have no more excuses.